Using a foam roller has become increasingly popular over the past few years, but what are the benefits? When used optimally, foam rolling can help to reduce muscle stiffness and soreness, prevent injury, improve mobility, aid recovery, and improve posture. Foam rolling the calves can be particularly beneficial, especially for runners and those who lack ankle mobility. Here I'm placing one leg on top of the other to assist in applying more pressure to the muscle tissue. You can apply sports massage techniques with the foam roller. Firstly, as you can see, I slowly roll back and forth over the roller. Now you can see that I'm also locking down on particularly stiff points, known as trigger points, and then moving the foot in different directions to provide soft tissue release. You can also just hold and pause on these trigger points whilst relaxing the muscles as much as possible. Also not shown in this video, you can roll your calves across the roller from side to side rather than back and forth. Foam rolling can be uncomfortable, but particularly beneficial to those who are involved in strenuous physical activity. Likewise to those who remain sedentary for most of the time, as muscles lose their suppleness through inactivity.